Finally, the wait is over. Windows is now releasing Windows 11 via the stable channel for all the users. In this particular video, I will review Windows 11 and I will show you how you can install in your existing Windows 10 without losing any data, even you have not get the notification to upgrade Windows. How you can manually upgrade it but without losing any existing data. And I am going to talk about, is it really a good upgrade? Should you upgrade right now, or you have to wait couple of months, or you should not update it? Is there any big changes which will impact your user experience or not? I will talk about everything about Windows 11 stable update. So sit back, relax and watch this video till the end. Whatever version in Windows 10 you are using, for example, if you are using Pro version after 11, it will be also Windows 11 Pro. So same version, same license will be kept there. You do not have to worry about buying a license right now. If you are using free version or means crack version, do not worry, it will be updated successfully. If you are using paid version, it will be also updated successfully. So right now you do not have to buy any license. So I will give this link in the description. If you click there, you will reach this page. In the bottom of the page, you have to download a compatibility checker. It is optional, but I must say you that before downloading or installing ISO, you should check via this tool whether your PC hardware is compatible or not. Many people will face here the error of TPM. So I have already made a dedicated video how you can enable TPM in your motherboard. So do check out that video. I will give the video link in I button or in the description. Here you can see my PC right now, it is compatible and green tick mark is there. So here you can see what kind of hardware it has been detected. So after that, go back to the link and here you can see download option is there. So you have to first, there is three options, three way you can download an assistant, second one is the installation media and third one is the ISO. So first two option is kind of one time. So after one PC if you done, again next PC you have to use your internet bandwidth. So I do not recommend that. The third option is very helpful. You can download one time ISO and you can install it multiple time, multiple PC just using a single ISO. So click that, and language, if you select English, it will be English USA or US English version, and if you choose the English International, it will be UK or Great Britain English version. So I love Great Britain or International English, so I click that, and then only one link will be there, 64 bits. There is no 32 bit. So after you click download, it will give a link which will be valid for 1 day. Total size of the ISO is 5.1 GB. So now let me show you how you can install. Just right click on the ISO file and click on mount. As soon as you click on mount, one virtual drive will be created and there will be one file named setup.exe. Just double click on setup.exe. You have to have an admin permission. After that, this kind of installation of Windows 11 window will pop up. There will be terms and condition agreement option is there. So there is another option, you can install the updated driver right away or you can install it later. So I am choosing install it later. It will save the time and as well as internet as of now. After that, click on next. Again it will ask some permission and here you can see ready to install. So it will showing up that your present file and as well as application will be kept there as it is. So you can manage, and you can also click and change this thing to only apps or only files or nothing, just fresh and clean Windows 11 install. Whatever you want, you can choose it there. By default it will keep all the apps and files, and I am also going with that because it will keep all our Windows 10 files and data will be there. Nothing will be deleted during this installation and upgradation. So here you can see, after that this kind of blue window will come up and it will reboot several times, almost 4 to 5 times. So it will automatically do everything. After that you do not have to do anything, and it took 15 to 16 minutes in my PC. It has a NVMe SSD of 2 GB read and write speed, so that's why the time is very less, 15 to 16 minutes. Full installation was completed and I was able to use Windows 11 PC right away after 15 minutes. So here you can see I have to give the password. After the giving the password for the first time, it will start up this hi it will take some time. Normal getting things ready, everything like Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, everything, the UI is almost same. So this is not a major change, I can say. This is a minor UI upgradation. I will talk about in details after this device boots up. So here you can see blue screen is taking, this might take a few minutes. So as I said, only 15 minutes it will cost if you are using SSD of NVMe SSD. So anyway, here you can see fast boot up of Windows 11 home screen, how it looks like, the default wallpaper and a white screen, and the taskbar is center aligned, I can say. Windows button, taskbar, everything is center aligned like macOS or Ubuntu, whatever you say. They are inspired, heavily inspired from there. So I use Linux, Ubuntu, Pop OS lots of times. So I think it looks like a very similar to the Linux. Here I have noticed after this update, Cortana and Microsoft Team was added forcefully to the startup application. So I am going to disable it. So anyway, there is multiple desktop option is there. As I use Linux operating system, this is also was there, so nothing is new to me. Here you can see you can add multiple desktop, so it is pretty good and very easy to use. So here you can now move to the Taskbar issue. As after update, I can notice that net balancer application which was used the Taskbar widget to show always the internet upload and download speed in my right corner of the taskbar, but after update I cannot see anything widget option of the taskbar. So this app is not compatible with Windows 11, and Windows 11 not allows to any kind of widgets inside the taskbar. So I have tested everything, all the setting in the taskbar setting. I did not find anything related to the net balancer. So this kind of upload or download every time is not available right now in Windows 11. So next is the drag and drop problem. This is a major issue for the video editors and everybody. You cannot drag and drop a file through the taskbar application. Here you can see I am just moving one folder, but it is not working, cannot drop to the taskbar application icon. What do you have to do? You have to press Alt and Tab, then it will open the presently opened application window. Then you have to move the mouse to that desired application, and then you just release the Alt and Tab button, and you have to release the mouse button. In this way you can drag and drop. This is the problem I have also faced in Linux. So this is basically not a problem, this kind of thing happens due to UI. So this is also came to the Windows, but I can say Windows users are heavily habituated to this drag and drop. So Windows should not remove this. I think in future updates they will bring back this kind of drag and drop feature again to the Windows 11. Now moves to the settings app. Here you can see settings app, everything is redesigned. I can say it looks like Android tablet, or you can say it looks like Ubuntu, or you can see it looks like macOS. So here and there anything, they are something they are copying, then trying to copy, and they are just mimicking those things. Nothing new feature is added, just UI design, and they are just trying to copy everything from operating system, other operating system, maybe mobile, maybe macOS. Anyway, so here you can see it looks like a very touch screen friendly. I can say this kind of big buttons and toggle buttons, these things are very much touch screen friendly. But you know, desktop and laptop, I think most of the user use via the mouse, so I don't think this is gonna be a big deal for them. And here you can see in the internet setting there is one thing added, that is DNS over HTTPS. Go to the network internet setting, go to the your adapter, then in the IP address and DNS setting, here you can see edit option is there. If you click edit, there will be DNS server address, basically 1111 or 8.8.8.8 you will use. Then there is unencrypted option is there, and prefer encryption or always use DNS over HTTPS 3 option is there. So by default it will be unencrypted. I have forcefully set it to DNS over HTTPS and it works. So yeah, that's a good thing, because this thing was inbuilt in Android 9. So right now Windows 11 copied those things here right away. So you do not need to have any kind of VPN or wrap to use DNS over HTTPS you can easily directly use from there. So that's all. Here you can see time, date and time setting and everything. I think nothing new features, so if anyone can use Windows 10 they can easily use this Windows 11. Nothing is new, just they redesigned everything. So the security center or basically inbuilt antivirus, Windows Defender, everything is work as the same thing. Now let's talk about the Windows 11 file manager. So the control panel is also there, so they have not removed control panel, so legacy control panel will be there. So this is the file manager redesigned icon. So basically folder icon and file icons have redesigned and this looks beautiful, no doubt. So just redesign and just visual changes. Here you can see if you are upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11. If you right click there will be the terminal. They're saying Windows terminal. This is nothing terminal like Linux terminal. This is basically PowerShell. So here I can see that you can give the color to the multiple tabs, you can give multiple colors. So yeah, they're just giving some name related to the Mac OS or Linux OS, because Linux OS users are increasing day by day due to privacy and security. So Windows is just trying to copy those things here in also Windows. When you are seeing more menu or full menu, here you will see the old Windows 10 right click menu, but if you directly click on right click it will show the new window. So basically old task right click menu and new right click menu, everything is available there. So I don't know what Windows 11 was trying to do. They are keeping both thing here, then why they are giving stable update, I don't know. Another very shocking thing I have noticed when I am editing this video, here you can see I have opened the Premiere Pro, and if you right click on anything and any small menu pops up, there you can notice the thickness of the selected item. Here you can see my properties in blue background. The thickness is very much small. If you compare it to Windows 10, the thickness of this is very large compared to this, but this thickness right now is very much small. So this is a bug or intentionally they have given, I don't know. Same thing also happened with the by default file manager, also the same thing. Thickness is very low, visually it is very much bad. So here now let's talk about the wallpaper and dark mode feature. So by default it will give 5 wallpapers, and remember themes was not there, and you cannot slideshow the default Windows 11 images. So you have to fix one images, and if you want to slideshow you have to choose a folder where multiple images was there, and there then the images will slideshow start. And there is no option of theme was there. And in the terms of colors you can give multiple accent colors. Here you can see multiple accent color was there, and theme color is 2 black and white, and you can also mix with black and white. So if you click on the black or the dark mode, everything will be dark, and even the file manager or the compatible apps, basically apps which is downloaded from the Windows Store, will be also black, like Android was trying to do in couple of years. So yeah, they're doing the black thing, yes, but the problem is that if you use the legacy applications like control panel, it will not compatible with the dark mode. Here you will see again the white screen, so it will give a bad impact in your eyes. Suddenly you are browsing through the dark mode, suddenly if you open the control panel you will see the white window. It will create a bad impact in your eye during the night time. So I do not recommend you to use the Windows 11 dark mode as of now, but if they use the other things you can use it. Now let's talk about the notification quick settings. So in the right action bar or action menu, here you can see if you click on the date and time, it will open up the quick setting where you can see it, alarm mode, notification mode, and you can disable notification and all the YOLO reading mode, night mode, everything was there, calendar was there, so everything was available. So in my opinion, should you update right now or not? I must say until and unless the drag and drop feature is fixed, you should not update to Windows 11. Basically Windows 11, it is not a stable version, I can say. Just to meet the deadlines, Microsoft forcefully released the update on 5th of October. Nothing apart from that. So yeah, it is in development phase, so at least wait to January and February, then I must say you can update or not. But as of now it is available for free. Lots of users are getting notification to update it, so you can update manually. Whatever tutorial I shown in this video, you can follow this, or you can wait till the Microsoft will push one notification to update to Windows 11. It is already free. And one thing I can say, do not buy the license of Windows 11 because it does not worth anything. Everything is same as Windows 10, and Windows 10 will not be discontinued in next 5 or 10 years, I can say. So yeah, that's all in this video. What's your opinion and thought regarding Windows 11? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you want to get more tutorials on Windows 11 topic, also share your opinion and what type of video you want in the comment section. I will definitely include that content in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon. Till then, goodbye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe.